We have seen some excerpts of the report. It's a very lengthy report. We have also seen the reaction. We deplore the systematic torture of the detainees by, at various locations by CIA. The Senate Intelligence Committee report reinforces what we have said all along, that the international human rights law and international humanitarian law must be respected while countering international terrorism. We have also emphasized the need for transparency. We have noted the reassurances held out by the US administration, including at the highest level, that this behavior would never be repeated again.